In today's video, I want to talk about the best credit cards that you can get currently right now in 2021 that comes with no annual fees. And I know that the annual fees are a big deal for a lot of people, especially myself. And I tried to get credit cards that can give me the best in rewards, whether it's cash, points, or miles. And I also try to get credit cards that don't charge any annual fees. And I do this because there are so many options right now that for every reward type that you could possibly think about, there is a credit card that you can get that comes with no annual fees to use. And then you can use that card to your advantage to get cash back or points or miles or other perks that come with these credit cards. Now, I know about 3 or 4 popular credit cards that you guys probably already know about, that everyone already talks about all the time. And these are popular credit cards from your favorite big banks, and they come with no fees, and they also give really great rewards. And so in this video, I'm going to go over at least 8 credit cards that you can get that come with no annual fees right now in 2021. And this way you guys can have more options to explore. And also remember, some of these credit cards will have sign-on bonuses. So you could be making anywhere from $200 to over $1,000 by simply signing up for one of these credit cards. So you can actually make a lot of money here from simply using these credit cards that have no annual fees. And that's what we're going to be talking about in this video today. Now, if you are new here, my name is Ian, and on this channel, I talk about credit cards, banking apps, ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money, and everything that has to do with personal finance. So if you like these videos and these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on all notifications. And that way you'll never miss the updates of when I post a new video on this channel, which is every single day. Now, the first set of cards or credit cards that I want to talk about, and I'm saying set because these are from one company, and this is Discover. So Discover has the Discover It Secured Credit Card, which is a secured credit card that you can get that comes with no annual fees, and it upgrades you to a regular unsecured credit card, and you get 1% on everything you purchase on that credit card. And you also get 2% at gas stations and restaurants, and double cash back as another bonus in the first year of using this card. So this means that you're really getting 2% on everything in the first year. So for example, you're getting 4% on fuel in the first year, and then afterwards it's 2% on fuel, and then 2% on everything else in the first year, and then 1% on everything after year 1. So that's actually the first no-fee credit card for 2021 that I would say that you guys should consider, but that's a secured credit card. So unless you're trying to build your credit or repair your credit, then I wouldn't go in and apply for that credit card. Now, Discover has some other credit cards, and these offers are more or less the same in terms of the rewards. So Discover has the Discover It Miles, and with this card, you get 1.5 miles for every dollar that you spend, which is really good if you ask me. And also in the first year, they will match your rewards and basically just double it. So if you get 20,000 miles in rewards in the first year, they'll give you another 20,000 miles, and that way you'll end up having 40,000 miles in the first year. Now, this is actually a list of all the cards that you can get, so I'm not going to go into too much details, but that's the first one on the list. Now, the second card is also from Discover, and this is the Discover It Cashback credit card. Now, this one gives you up to 5% in cashback on rotating categories. So for example, this year we have these categories where you can get 5% in cashback, and then anything outside of the rotating categories is going to be 1% in cashback. And also, as a bonus, Discover still gives you double cashback for the first year. So if you get $1,000 in cash back for the first year, then they'll be giving you an extra $1,000 as a bonus. So you'll end up with $2,000 in cash back. And I think that's really cool for a credit card that comes with no annual fees. Now, another credit card for this list is the Saver One Rewards from Capital One. And this card gives you up to 3% in cash back on dining and entertainment, and then 2% at grocery stores, not including Walmart and also Target. And then it also gives you another 1% on all other purchases. This one does offer a sign-on bonus of $200 as long as you spend $500 or more in the first 90 days of opening the credit card account. And of course, there is no annual fee, so this is another good option to consider as well. Now, all the cards I'm talking about here in this video, usually they will have a sign-up bonus or offer where if you spend a certain amount in the first 3 months, you will get a bonus. And this brings us to the next credit card on this list, which is the Citi Double Cash credit card. And I really like this credit card. You get a flat 2% cash back on all purchases that you make with the card. You get 1% when you actually make the purchases, and then you get another 1% when you pay the statement balance. However, the only drawback with this credit card, and I also wish they would change this, is that when you apply, there are no introductory offers or cashback offers upfront. So unlike most of the other credit cards I'm mentioning in this video, with this one, you don't get anything within the first 90 or 60 days. I think if they offered $200 as a bonus or something similar, then this would make this, or that would make this a really good offer, since most of these other credit cards are no-fee credit cards and they do offer a cash bonus when you first sign up. Now, the next set of credit cards to consider are the Chase Freedom credit cards. And Chase actually has the Freedom Unlimited and then the Freedom Flex, and these cards have no annual fees. However, the only difference is that with one, or with the Freedom Flex, you have rotating categories that you can get up to 5% in cashback in, and then some other categories where you can get 3, 2, or 1% in cashback. And this card also offers an introductory offer or bonus, or sign-up bonus rather, which is where you get $200 when you spend $500 in purchases in the first 90 days of opening this account, and that's really good. Now, the main difference between this card and the Chase Freedom Unlimited is that the Unlimited is actually just a flat rewards cashback credit card where you get 1.5% in cashback all the time in any category on anything you purchase. So depending on how you spend and what the primary use of this credit card will be, you can either go for the Chase Freedom Flex or the Freedom Unlimited cards, because they come with no annual fees and they give really, really good rewards. So if you don't already have any of those cards, be sure to consider those two as well. Now, another credit card from a big bank is the Bank of America Cashback Rewards credit card. And this one offers you 3% cashback in a category of your choice. And this isn't a revolving category, but you actually get to choose what category you want this 3% in cashback in. And I think this is very, very good news. So for example, if you know that you are going to be spending a lot of money at gas stations and on fuel, then you could choose that category and then you get 3% in fuel or 3% in cashback for purchasing fuel. And that just makes this credit card really, really good. Now, in addition to being able to choose a category of your choice and receiving 3% in cashback in that category, you'll also get 2% in cashback at grocery stores and 1% in cashback on everything else that you purchase with this card. So this makes this a very good credit card to consider getting if you're looking at getting a no annual fee credit card this year. Now again, Bank of America is offering a bonus for signing up for this credit card, and you can get $200 when you spend at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days. And this is higher than most of the other credit cards on this list because most of them only require that you spend $500 in the first 3 months. But with this credit card, you need to spend at least $1,000. And for the average user, you still should be able to spend at least $1,000 in 3 months if you put most of your purchases on the credit card and then pay them off. And that would work out to be just around $334 or somewhere around there. And that's all you have to spend on this card per month, and you'll get that bonus of $200. Now, if the Citi Double Cash card had a bonus like this, or even required a spend of $1,500 to get a bonus, I think it would make the card much more appealing than it is right now. Now, there's also another credit card that a lot of people either don't know about or they haven't really been told about the benefits of that credit card, and this is the PayPal Cashback MasterCard. And I have a review on this credit card on this channel. You can go watch that review if you want to get all the details on this credit card. But it was a really good card, or is a really good card offer from PayPal, and I really like this card because you get 2% in cashback all the time on everything, which puts it right up there beside the Citi Double Rewards card. But one of the things that I really love about this credit card in particular is that there are no foreign transaction fees. So if you are someone who is interested in traveling, then you could go practically anywhere in the world and you wouldn't be charged any foreign transaction fees. So that is definitely a plus. Now, next on the list, we have the Blue Cash Everyday Card from American Express, which is a really good credit card, and it offers a sign-on bonus of $250 when you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months, which again is just $334 per month that you'd have to spend on this credit card. And with this credit card, you get 3% in cashback when you spend at grocery stores, and then you get 2% in cash back when you purchase fuel, and then 1% on every other purchase that you make using this card. Also guys, if you didn't already know, if you have a small business, then American Express also has a very good credit card for small businesses, and this is the American Express Blue Business Cash Card. And with this credit card, you actually get 2% in cash back on everything you purchase for your business, which I think is awesome. So although this video is about credit cards or personal credit cards or no annual fee personal credit cards, if you have a small business, you should consider the Blue Business Cash Card as well. That's a great option, and it's also similar to the Blue Cash Everyday Card. Now, the next card that I want to mention on this list is the SoFi credit card. Now, I like this credit card for two reasons. The first reason is that I already use the SoFi Money account, which is a free hybrid account, linked down below in the description, and I talk about this account all the time. You guys should sign up for it. It's completely free. Most ATMs are free with the debit card for this account. You get paid interest, and you also get a bonus just for signing up for that hybrid account. Now, they have the SoFi credit card, and the SoFi credit card gives you 2% in unlimited cash back. But to get that unlimited 2% in cash back on everything you purchase, you have to either redeem it to save, invest, or pay down on a SoFi loan. Now, this isn't a problem if you have the SoFi Money hybrid account, because you can redeem it in your checking account or your hybrid account, and then you can either just spend the money, you can withdraw the cash, or use it for whatever reasons you want to. So this is a very good credit card if you're looking to use the SoFi Money account in particular. So these are 8 general credit cards that the average person or anyone really can apply for and get approved for depending on your credit score. But these are just 8 credit cards that you should definitely at least consider them. If you're trying to apply for some no annual fee credit cards this year, I think that these are some of the best options for you. Now, this isn't a comprehensive list, and I'm sure there are other credit cards out there that are very good. If you know of any, maybe you use some and they're just as good as the credit cards on this list, comment below so I can know what these credit cards are, so I can take a look at them as well. So these are the credit cards that I think you guys should definitely consider getting in 2021 if you don't already have these cards. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like the content, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications so you can get the updates of when I post new videos, which is every single day on this channel. Be sure to also check all the links down below in the description for free and helpful stuff, which includes a link to SoFi Money where you can sign up and get some free cash just for signing up, and also a link to WEBULL where you can get involved in investing and you can get 2 free stocks that can be valued at over $1,600. Once again, thanks for watching, all the best, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one.